Let's start our new adventure where the last one ended. I'm now at Malé airport again, and today I fly back to Europe with Saudia Airlines. From here I fly to Jeddah, there I have a little stopover, and then I continue to Amsterdam. On board their Boeing 787 in business class. Malé airport is very small and very busy. At the moment they built a new terminal, and I hope that the new international terminal will be much better than this one here, because you need some time. Before you can check in, there is a security check with all your luggage, your hand luggage and carry-on luggage. After this you can check in, then the passport control takes some time, and then comes a second security check. So if you don't want to miss your flight, be early here. The check-in counter is open about 3 hours before departure. Luckily, I don't need to wait here in this crowded area. With Saudia Airlines, you get business class lounge right inside the duty-free area. It's a little bit tricky to see. Really in the middle of the duty-free area is the entrance to the lounge, and I will try to find out what it offers and if it's not so crowded like this area here. I'm really impressed by this lounge here. It's really big and not so busy like I expect, so at a small airport like this, a lounge like this is really awesome. You get Wi-Fi here for free. Wi-Fi is a really big problem at the airport. You have food, you have cold drinks, so what you want more? As a business class or first class passenger, you get free entry here. If you want to visit this lounge like an economy passenger, you have to pay 35 US dollars. And if I would pay 35 US dollars for this lounge, I'm not really sure. A priority pass or something like this brings you nothing here, so I'm very happy to have my business class ticket today and can enjoy my time here at this lounge. The airport of Malé offers only 6 gates here, and all of them are bus gates, so you don't have any jet bridges I hope with the new terminal there come jet bridges also. But for now, I wait here. I hope I can show you later my plane. I can look outside a little bit, but it's dark already. So at the moment, it's really incredible how many people here are. There is just a small terminal. There is an Emirates 777. There is a Turkish Airlines A330. From Jeddah, there comes the 787. There are Qatar flights, and so many people for this small terminal is really not good. Maybe if I can't show you the plane, I can tell you something about it now. My plane arrives from Singapore because Malé is just a stop from Singapore to Jeddah. And for me today, I will fly with the Boeing 787-9, 4 years old, and it was delivered brand new to Saudia Airlines in 2018. The long-haul fleet of Saudia Airlines consists only Boeing 777 and 787-9 and -10. In my plane today there will be just 2 cabins, 1 economy class and 1 business class with only 24 seats. So I'm really looking forward now to the boarding and that I can show you the cabin and my seat. And there we are inside Saudia's Business Class. The service started already, the boarding finished because there are not too many people here. I think about 1 bus and that is all. So, hot towel.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Captain Badr Al-Dosari and our guest director Abdullah and their entire team, are pleased to welcome you on board SV787 traveling to King Abdulaziz International. We are pleased to give you a special welcome to our Alpha Lead and Elite.
Okay, and there we have more our welcome drink. It's a lemon drink because I don't told you before, but maybe some of you knows, Saudia is a dry airline, so that means no champagne, no beer, nothing with alcohol. Cheers. Before the takeoff, the crew hand out some amenities already. A bottle of water. It's very, very nice for a night flight. The earphones for the entertainment system. And a personal hygiene kit, like the most airlines do it since the pandemic. Unfortunately, there is no amenity kit on my flight today, maybe because it's too short. The people who was in the plane already from Singapore to Malé and then to Jeddah, they got an amenity kit, so this was a, I'm not sure, about 9-hour flight, so I think the 5.5 hour was too short for it, and I'm excited. Maybe on the next flight to Amsterdam I get one or not. So let's try to take a little look here inside the hygiene kit. We have 2 hand sanitizers, one wipe to clean the table or clean the armrest, and a very exotic face mask with Saudia logo. I never had a mask like this before. Looks very awesome. I don't want to try it, but I will collect it definitely.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Unfortunately, I never had a quick takeoff like this. There was just about 40 passengers in the bus, and the boarding was so quickly. They are just at their seats and we're ready for takeoff. That's bad for me because I can't show you anything now. It's a night flight. I have just my little reading light here, and I wait for my dinner now. She said about 30 minutes, then I can eat, and I hope I can show you something later of the seat. It's a really great seat, and I want to show you the seat functions. I want to show you the entertainment system and what we get more here, but for now it's impossible. I have not too much light, so I'm sorry for that, and I hope I can show you later. Many passengers sleep already, and after the food I will take a rest for 2 or 3 hours also, so I see you later. And there we have our starter. Smoked salmon with strawberry sauce. Sound exciting. I never had something smoked with some sweet like strawberry sauce. Let's try. Okay, really not bad. The smoked salmon is really great. And this looks really great. So lamb black with rice and some vegetables. Saudia, if it tastes like it's looked, I'm really impressed. So let's give it a try. Look at this. And it tastes so good. I'm sure I don't need any dessert today. After this, I'm pretty full. Okay, in case that I can't show you so much, I will try to show you the entertainment system now when it's dark. While boarding, they handed out the earphones. They are very nice, and not really noise cancelling, but they are okay. And inside of one storage compartment you have a little remote control. It's a touch screen also, so you don't need this, but if you want to look a movie like on a smartphone, you can do it with this little piece. For English or Western people, the choices are not too big on their in-flight entertainment system. I saw many other airlines, they had much more. You have some movies, you have some TV series, you have games, you have a flight map, but the most movies I never heard of. And they are in English, okay, but a lot of Bollywood, and if you say Hollywood classics, there are 29 movies. If you say comedy, there are 21 movies. And it is a Middle Eastern airline, so if there are too much of women, if they show some skin, something like this, they don't show this film here. And I don't know, I'm lucky that I can sleep on this flight, because I'm not really sure if this entertainment system is what I want. This is one of the lavatories here on board the Dreamliner. Boeing 787-9 have 3 lavatories for the business class. One is right behind the cockpit and 2 between business and economy class. They are not too small. I think it's enough to change the clothes, and you have some little amenities, some hand lotion, eau de toilette and hand sanitizer. Very nice. For me, I say it's enough now. I try to get some few hours of sleep, because I'm on my way the whole night. In Jeddah I have a 5-hour layover all through the night. I land there 3 AM and have to continue to Amsterdam on 8 AM. So I think a few hours of sleep will be not too bad. A wonderful good morning right over Saudi Arabia. I'm just so sleepy. I really did sleep about 3 hours from the 5-hour flight, and this is how the bed looks. I think I get no better chance to show you. Here is a pillow, the blanket, and your feet are right there under the table. It's a really comfortable seat, and I'm sure on my next flight I can sleep also. Yeah, unfortunately this was only the night flight. I really would want to show you more here, but it's not possible, I think. And what is really nice also, I wake up and had some chocolates next to my bed. Very nice. I will enjoy this now, and it's just 30 minutes more to fly, so I think time to wake up. They really turn on the lights. I'm a little bit happy now, and now we do it quick. What offers this seat here in Saudia's business class? On this plane you have 24 seats in total, 6 rows, and in a 1-to-1 configuration. Here on the seat you have really a lot of storage compartments. One is here with the remote control, with USB connections. You can charge your devices. This looks really good. Right behind is the next storage compartment. There's my other GoPro at the moment. And on the other side, in the armrest, you have the last storage compartment. I never had a business class seat with so much storage. That's really great. Okay, maybe in the upper deck of the Boeing 747. There is a lot more, but it's really nice. There are more seats in a 2-2 configuration. They don't have so much storage compartments, and I'm really impressed by the seat. It's so comfortable, just amazing. Okay, right in front of me is table with my chocolate at the moment. You can move this table if you pull the button, and then you can open it. That's all to the table, and the fasten seatbelt signs come on. I think we will start our descent now. Yeah, that's it. We start our descent already. We land in a few minutes, and I will show you now the approach into Jeddah and see you there at the airport.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Welcome to King Abdulaziz International Airport, the new airport here in Jeddah, and I have to transfer now. Wait 5 hours and then my next flight to Amsterdam is leaving. Unfortunately today there was only a night flight, so I can't show you too many things, and that's really sad. I'm sad that the video is so short, but I hope you still liked. The cabin crew was really amazing. They did such a great job and they have no problem with the camera. They are so friendly, the food was good. All in all, I say Saudi Airlines looks really good. I will see what the next flight brings to me, but for now I say thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you like it, and then you will see the next video with Saudia Airlines to Amsterdam very soon.